I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you reclaim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me.